Question number 18 wants us to find the inverse function, and you'll notice that we have a stipulation over here. So our function is x squared plus 9, but we're only considering for x is greater than or equal to 0. So that's not really going to be involved in the math at all, so we don't really need to worry about it, but it's really there just to keep our function one-to-one. So it's not involved in the math that we're going to be doing, but it's needed to make the original function one-to-one, because our original function is a parabola and a horizontal line would hit it twice if we don't only consider the positive numbers. Okay, so let's find the inverse. I'm going to start by rewriting it with y instead of f of x. Then I'm going to swap my x and my y. Then I need to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 9, and then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So y is going to be equal to square root of x minus 9. And I don't want to put a plus minus, so when you're finding the inverse function, you don't put the plus minus when you're taking the square root of both sides. So it's just the positive here. But I do need to express it as f to the negative 1, because that's the proper notation for the inverse function.